Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back in the garage working on the Lexus GX470 for my father-in-law. I've been doing a bunch of routine maintenance, kind of refurbing and getting this thing looking clean again. And one of the things I noticed on my last video when I was working under the hood here, the hood actually fell down because the shocks weren't working. Luckily I wasn't under it. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the OEM KYB shocks on here with some aftermarket Boxi ones I bought on Amazon. If you guys need these same ones, check out the links down in the description on the ones we're going to be using today. But it's a pretty simple install and swap out. As you can see, I have this stick right here for safety, so this thing doesn't fall on me. So the shocks on here, I believe, are almost 20 years old. It looks like they're KYBs from the ones that are on here right now. I'm not sure if my father-in-law previously had these replaced either at the dealer or by his mechanic for any reason, but they look pretty much OEM. They still have Japanese writing on them and everything, so I'm thinking they're OEM, but they're starting to fail. They still hold the hood up a little bit, but any kind of wind or movement causes this thing to fall, so we'll go ahead and replace it. Usually with these things around the ball joint, there's a clip that kind of clips it into the ball right here, but I don't really see one on here, so we might have to unscrew this thing on both ends to remove it. The replacements we have is a Boxi brand. These were on Amazon for like $22 or $23. They looked a little bit better quality than some of the other offerings on Amazon, so I went ahead and ordered it. Pretty much all the options on Amazon are between $18 to $25, so you just want to choose the one that has the best reviews. So to remove these things, it's a 12mm. You just go ahead and just unbolt it and just spin it out of here. You want to hold the hood up or have someone helping you just in case. Luckily I have this bar over here. So that comes out right here, and it looks like an OEM bolt and an OEM ball joint. So this is original, or at least an original replacement. So you can see here the new replacement one is the same length and everything as the OEM one that we just took out. The replacement one comes with two new ball joints, and it comes with the ball joints that have the clip, which is very common these days with these replacements, whether it's OEM or aftermarket. This is what I'm used to seeing with all my hood shock replacements and even the aftermarket ones I've put in. The ones that came with this thing looks like it was pressed in or somehow put in the factory and it's permanent. This thing can't be replaced. So the first thing we want to do is bolt these two onto the car, and then we'll clip it in, and it should just pop right in with that clip right there. So to install this, really all you need to do is just pop this thing in. They actually come pre-greased already inside for the ball joints. So you just basically slide it right over the ball joint and press it in, and it pops right in. And then on the top one, you just want to turn it. You don't want to unthread it out of the ball joint. You just want to turn it the clockwise or locking position. Put it back right, line it up right there, and then pop it right in. Just like that, and it's in. So we go ahead and take this thing off. Make sure the clip and everything is securely in place and it's moving around freely in the ball joint along with down here, and it's pretty good there. I can feel the resistance now. I think I've seen videos of other people doing this where it popped up automatically from the bottom. So we'll go ahead and finish the other side up and we'll see how well it works. Yeah, these new hood shocks are really nice. These things are really strong. As you can see, all you have to do is release the latch, pull it up a little bit, and the rest of it goes by itself all the way up. Even closing it takes a little bit of effort now to close it, but at least this thing works and is safe. Hey guys, thanks for joining all the way to the end of this video on changing out the hood shocks on the GX470. As you can see, this is a very easy 10 to 15 minute project. and it's a major maintenance item, especially if you work under the hood and you want to stay safe and prevent that hood from falling on your head. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet to stay on top of all my different DIY videos, whether it's on the cars, in the house, or on the garage, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a video. For all these different projects, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I want to thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.